Hey guys, today we're going to be doing tier lists. But Canadian foods. Alright, let's start with Arby's. Arby's I never had tried before. So this is going in E tier. This I tried, it's not too bad. No D tier. McDonald's is definitely F tier. They support the Haram. KFC also F tier. No, it's not. Tim Hortons A tier. It's not really too bad, but hey. Topper's Pizza. I never had this. Taco Bell ain't too bad. Not F. I think it's going in B tier. Burger King. No. Just no. I never tried. I never had this. Five Guys. C tier. It's not too bad. I mean, I don't really recommend, but I'm sure it gets the job done. Subway. C tier. It's good. Never had. I never had this. DQ. I don't really like this. S tier. They got the best ice cream. Little Caesars. S tier for their brownies. A&W, also another S tier. Pizza Hut, never tried it. Wendy's, never had. Domino's, I guess never had. I don't know, bro. New York Fries, E tier. It's not really too bad. See, I don't really like chicken. Munch Burrito, never had. Wait, did I? Oh yeah, I did have for my 8th birthday. C tier, because it was my 8th birthday. Alright guys, we're gonna do another one since I have time. Why not do video game tier list? No, game console. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. No, we're doing Samsung. Phone tier list, yeah, sure. SABE. Let's see. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna do this one. Wait, not this one. It doesn't even have phones. What the hell? Yeah, sure. It's... Damn, what does Z mean? Oh. No. Wait, let's do this one. Yeah. Smart. Okay. Fridge. Dog, this is going in C tier. No, B tier. A tier. No, B tier. Yeah? Well, what? Oh, we're going... Alright, sorry guys, I have to go.